Welcome. Today, let's explore how you can sync your contacts on Instagram with these updated steps. To begin, open the Instagram app on your device. Once the app is launched, locate and tap on your profile icon positioned in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three lines icon situated at the top right corner of your profile to access the menu options. From the menu, select Account Center to manage your account settings. Within the Account Center, choose Your Information and Permissions to view and edit your account details. Under this section, locate and tap on Upload Contacts to sync your contacts with Instagram. After tapping on Upload Contacts, enable the option to Connect Contacts by turning it on. This action allows Instagram to sync and connect your contacts with the app. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily sync your contacts on Instagram. By uploading and connecting your contacts, you can enhance your Instagram experience and stay connected with friends and acquaintances. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in syncing your contacts seamlessly on Instagram. Stay connected and engaged with your contacts through this convenient feature.